Over 15 different programs, over 1,500 participating students, 11 different hosting school districts, preparing today's youth for tomorrow's workforce. Charlevoix-Emmett Intermediate School District Career and Technical Education Programs take you inside Char-Em CTE in 90 seconds.
Who hasn't been revved up by the feeling and power of a well-tuned throttle under your thumb? The rush and excitement behind the wheel of a power sport vehicle is a feeling that draws in all kinds of people. The need for workers trained and capable of repairing and maintaining these kinds of machines is skyrocketing, and no place is this more true than in northern Michigan.
Big thing with side-by-sides, four-wheelers, even snowmobiles, we still service the belts, replacing the belts, servicing the transmissions, that kind of stuff. The drive line on these things, depending on how it's used.
At Poston High School, we are learning just that, how to repair and maintain different types of small engines and outdoor equipment to help get people back out and having a blast on their boats, motorcycles, ATVs, snowmobiles, and much more. We learn how to identify engine and chassis components and how to use repair manuals to fix a variety of mechanical issues. We disassemble, measure, and assemble small engines and equipment every day to get the critical hands-on experience we need to be employable in this field.
You guys that don't know about the ethanol in the fuel, that's not good on small engines. Ethanol-free fuel in these units is the most important thing to use.
From engine repair and tuning to seasonal maintenance and winterization, to tires, suspension, chassis, and more. We learn it all as we become trained in this job field that has dire need in the lake and trail-filled playgrounds of northern Michigan.
Thank you for checking out Char-Em CTE programming in 90 seconds. For more information on program offerings, locations, and enrollment, visit your high school counselor or contact the Char-Em ISD Career and Technical Education staff.